So for come, I'm just going to tell the dog, come. I may pat my legs. I may get a little lower. If I'm having trouble especially, I'll get lower, maybe clap my hands, do something to get their attention, entice them like it's playtime. So I can, Charlie, come. Yes, good boy. As soon as they get to me, I'm going to mark it with a yes. Now I can, Charlie, place. Yes. I can also, if I'm having trouble, I can put on a leash. So if the dog's being distracted or I'm working through higher distraction levels, I can guarantee success. Right, Charlie, come. Yes. I have that fail-safe, a backup, so that I can guarantee success. Charlie, place. Yes. But if I'm not having any problems, then I'll go further and further away. Charlie, come. Yes. And I like for the dog to auto-sit, come to me, sit in front of me, and get ready for the next command.